first up, give us your sense on where you believe the market is headed in terms of the kinds of moves we're seeing on the benchmarks, and also overall in terms of fundamentals. Do you believe that this sluggishness could come to an end anytime soon, or till we have some clarity on tariffs, this market momentum could continue?
Good morning. It's good to be here again. Well, the last time I'd spoken to you, we were in the camp that believes that there's going to be a bit of a range-bound markets which we will be in. And that continues to be the case, really. We have seen the markets doing very well, a sharp rally coming through post, April. May and June were particularly strong. We have seen that during this period, there's been pretty much a global rally. Many of the emerging markets have also seen a rally. So in the context of the broader world, yes, India has done well. But compared to many other markets, well, India has not maybe done as well. So for even the calendar year to date, you'll find many other instances of other markets doing very well, whether it's Europe or whether it's some of the Mexican markets, for example, or even Hong Kong market. Those have done maybe even better than the Indian markets. We have been on our own cycle, so we corrected from September onwards. And since then, we have been looking for a pickup in the earnings momentum. The focus really has been on that. Unfortunately, the kind of economic or the earnings growth which we have seen, earnings growth momentum which we have seen from Q2 to Q4 is likely to continue in Q1 as well. So single digits kind of growth which we are looking at. Earnings have been cut. We have seen a fair bit of shaving on the Nifty 50 earnings. So the earnings expectations going into FY26 are more muted than what they were going into FY25. That may be some kind of a comfort, in terms of for the downside for the earnings expectations. So the pace of earnings downgrade may be softer. But at the same time, we are looking forward to a pickup in the economy. So the market is right now caught between the reality of the current earnings growth, which is not very exciting, and the promise of a pickup in the second half of the year.